Good morning, students. Today we will revise the second term syllabus. First of all, the second term syllabus, which is the exam going to be held on February 2021. Now, chapter 5, that is heat. Chapter 6, that is sound. Chapter 7, that is electricity and magnetism. So these three chapters are there for the final exams. Now students, just note down the reduced syllabus from chapter 5th and 7th. It means that no topic is reduced from the chapter number 6. So the reduced syllabus is from chapter 5, the topic thermos flask, application of heat transfer, construction, working. This topic is not there. And from chapter 7, that is electricity and magnetism, these topics are not there. Electromagnetism, electromagnets and their application. Electric bell, electric cell as a source of electricity, simple electric circuit, series and parallel. So these topics are not there. Now students, I have prepared one question paper for you. Just go through it and try to do it of your own. The first question is 1 calorie is equal to how many joule? This is J, joule. Normal human body temperature is dash degree Fahrenheit. During change of state of matter, temperature is dash. Convert 68 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. Then next question, steam point of water in Fahrenheit scale is. What is the normal audible range of hearing? Sound is dash wave. Pitch of sound depends on. Loudness of sound depends on. Then voice of a girl is dash than that of a boy. Then like pole dash each others. Unlike pole dash each other. Then dash is the sure test for a magnet. Then electric current is flow of dash. Then SI unit of the following: current, charge, potential difference. Now you are all asked to solve this, and if you come across any problem, any doubt, that you can remove during your doubt class on every Saturday at 4 o'clock. So you must go through it, try to solve it, and if you come across any problem, you just let me know. Now once again, this is the last chapter, electricity and magnetism. This is the exercise that you can do. Substance that have a property of attracting iron are called magnets, because only magnets attracts the iron. Conductors, they conduct electricity, but they do not attracts the magnet. Insulator, they do not conduct electricity. Dielectrics are insulators only. They can be converted into conductors. Then the next is material attracted by a magnet are called magnetic substances. Only magnetic substances can be attracted by the magnets. Others are plastic, this is PVC, this is nylon. These things are made up with the chemicals. So that is why these three cannot be attracted by the magnets, because it is not a magnetic material. Now the next is examples of magnetic material is, means all the metals, iron, nickel, cobalt. These all the metals are a magnetic material. Then when a magnet is suspended freely, it rests in. When a magnet is suspended freely, it always rests in north-south direction. When a magnet is suspended freely, it rests in north-south direction, always. Then, sure test for a magnet is repulsion. Like poles repel each other. Scientist Hans Christian Ørsted found the direct relation between the magnetism and electricity. Now these two topics are deleted, so it is not there in the syllabus. Then circuit cell, this is also not there. Only you have to learn battery and resistance. Clear? So you must prepare yourself for the final exams, and during the doubt class you must remove your doubts. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.